Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Good morning. If I could get a sound check from everybody today on the YouTube chat, that would be great. If I could get a sound check. Sound check, please. We can hear you. Sounds good. Sounds good. Okay. Okay. Perfect. Okay. Charlene, you look amazing and sound even better. Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Got a little headache this morning, so gonna, take it easy this morning. I don't know what's up with all these headaches I've been getting lately, but uh, they will pass. They will pass. So we have a little bit of news this morning, guys. At 8:30, we have a core PCE price index at 8:30 in the next 19 minutes here. So I don't anticipate that that's going to be anything too crazy, but either way, we will you know, we will stick around and see what happens. So let's you know, keep that in mind and go from there. Other than that, you know, pretty nice US30 setup, setting itself up here. Last night we dropped and didn't continue. We pushed back up to this key area here. Would love to see US30 come on down. Would love to see her come down. Gold is moving like it was yesterday. Pretty nice structure, making highs, lows, and moving up here nicely. As long as we respect this zone here, we should continue bullish on gold. Not too much in the way of an analysis on gold. And then US30, you know, we have that move there on US30 setting up. So Charlene, I had a dream that you had twins. What? That would be awesome, wouldn't it? That would be a blessing. Knock out 2 birds with 1 stone. That would be awesome. That would be awesome. US30 reaching new highs. Could be. Could be. We didn't make a low here. We didn't continue bearish. We stopped and pushed back up. So we should see. We shall see. I don't think today's news is going to be anything to be too concerned about. So we'll see. We'll see. We keep on tapping these highs. We look at the higher time frame here on the 4-hour. If we look at the 4-hour here, the 4-hour is a little wonky here because it's looking like we want to push. It's looking like we want to push to continue up to make some higher highs because we keep on bouncing here, bouncing. This low here, we haven't made it. We made it right around, you know, 50% of that low there, and then we pushed up here, but you know, multiple rejections here. Longer wicks to the downside than the upside. I mean, there's a lot going on here, but I would prefer the sells than over the buys right now. I really would. If we do make some new highs, I don't see us doing that today. I think maybe next week it'll start setting itself up potentially. But for today, I don't know. I think today we're going to come down today. I think we're going to stay inside this area here today on gold. On US30, sorry. So we shall see here. We shall see. We have a long wick to the downside here, not that long to this side. But if this can reject and start finding itself on down here, I mean, I would prefer to see that over anything, honestly. I would prefer to see that. But if we do go bullish, then we go bullish, you know. What are you gonna do? It is what it is. YouTube cannot hear you. You guys can't hear me? If you guys couldn't hear me, I think more of you would be saying that in the chat. YouTube cannot hear you. Boy. Okay, yeah, you said you guys hear me very well. Very low. What's very low? My voice is very low or the music is very low? Because I don't know. I don't know, guys. I can't with the sound stuff. It's very frustrating dealing with that. I don't know. Come on down, US30. Come on down. This is 200, a 200-point drop. Today is going to be a short session, guys. I think you guys could tell by my tone, I'm just really not feeling it today. I would really like to lay down with this headache that I have. So I'll probably wrap up this live probably maybe 9:30, 10ish. We'll see. But we won't be on live. It's Friday anyway. You know, we can get our weekend started early. You know, just chill. So that'll be that for today. And you know, this whole week, you know, wasn't the best, but you know, I think it's gonna end on a good note. You know, I've had several weeks where, you know, the weeks weren't so good, but it ended amazing. It's not, you can never, you know, you can never let a couple days, you know, ruin forever. You know what I mean? So yeah, I'm going to keep this live short today and try to go relax. And I have some things to do later that I have to do. So I have to, you know, I got to get myself together here. So the show must go on, guys. Show must go on. Even if you're not feeling it, you have a job to do. You know? So, what was I gonna say? I have a cool little short story to tell you guys. If we could get the likes up, guys, that would be awesome. That would be awesome today if we could get the likes up. Hope I feel better. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Okay. Let's hope this news that drops isn't anything crazy. If anything, we can start, you know, finding our way on down here. I don't know if we're going to hit these lows here. I mean, if we hit these areas here, that would be great. But I think if we hit these lows, we're probably more than likely going to continue bearish and probably find ourselves down to maybe these lows and then maybe wick out down here somewhere. If we make it, if we hit those lows, if we can break these lows. If we can break these lows right here. So that's what I'd like to see for today. Gold, on the other hand, gold is moving nicely. Gold is holding this beautiful area of support here, and we are moving up nicely. We've got that nice bounce on this support here. Gold would need to break these highs though, because we've tapped into these highs almost 3 times already here. 1, 2, 3. So if we can break these highs and then do a little something like this, I mean, in the perfect world, that's typically, you know, what you want to see. That's what you want to see. So if you held any type of gold buys, if you took gold buys from these lows here, from the 2019 area, you should be doing pretty good in the way of profits, because even from the 2019 area, gold is up 50 points, and from yesterday's entry area, gold is up 120 points. So that's not a bad setup. That's not a bad setup at all, actually. Just need a little volume. I think with this news, with market open and this news push, we should see something to push price there. So that's it. You heard of Trade Game Official? He's a trader that is a programmer. He's been exposing the Forex game. Well, I don't know what that means, but some people have a lot of time on their hands. People have a lot of time on their hands. So
you want everything to talk about, because personal income is self-explanatory. It's a measure of personal income. So if that comes out higher, that would also.
Somebody needs to mute in the Zoom chat. Your mic is open and you have a television on in the background.
So I'd be looking for that.
That's the beast. Revelations.
If you guys want to hear that cool story that I have to tell you guys today, then maybe we can get the likes up to, let's say, 400. If we can hit 400 likes, I will tell you guys that story. We're at 217. If we hit 400 likes, I will tell you guys this amazing story of what happened to me yesterday afternoon, which is pretty cool, I think. Very, very, very cool. Very cool. All right, we're at 245. Have a good way to go. Good ways to go here. $279. Okay. We need 400 likes. 400 likes. Only 2 people have heard this story so far. I mean, it only happened yesterday, but 2 people have heard this story, and I think you guys are gonna like it. I think you guys are gonna think it's very cool. Very, very, very cool story. I think you guys are gonna like it. 288. All right, we haven't cracked 300 yet. When we crack 300, we'll probably hit it after news. I don't know. News is dropping in 3 minutes, so we'll see. We are dropping in 3 minutes. Beautiful, beautiful drop on US30 here. Excellent, 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 excellent. Come on down, come on down, come on down. Okay, we're at 321. 321. Lovely, lovely, lovely. Hit that like, guys. We're about 80 likes away. 80 likes away. $80 likes away. All right, 324. Let's see. Gonna keep my finger on the trigger here on US30. Make sure we don't do nothing crazy. Make sure we come tumbling down instead of going the other way. All right, 350. 350. We're 50 likes away. 50 likes away. Pulling back here. All right. Nothing crazy, crazy. Nothing crazy. Ooh. Herky jerky here. Little herky jerky movement here. Coming down. Coming down. Are we coming down or what? Nah. I'm not playing with it. Nope. Not playing with news. Not taking that risk. I'm not breaking my rules on a Friday. Take profit and call it a day. If it goes down, it goes down. But I'm not playing with news today. Oh, look at her go. Ah, look at that. Right after I close. That's okay. That's okay. Still gotta win. Still gotta win. It's okay. Ugh. Mm. 366, guys. 366. We are very close. Very, very close to 400 likes. Very, very close to 400 likes. US30. What are we doing here? Are you going down or up here? What are we doing? She doesn't know what she wants to do. This song is boring. All right, news wasn't anything crazy, guys. Kind of how I figured. It wasn't anything too crazy. Little herky jerky. Nothing too crazy. We'll see what 930 holds. What did it do for gold? Gold is struggling to break this high. We tested it again. We tested this high again and dropped. Even news couldn't break this high. I mean, news wasn't anything to sneeze over, but even news couldn't break this high. I don't know what's up with that. I don't know what's up with that high. Gold is struggling to break this high to continue and tap previous highs. So yeah, if I was in this, I would, you know, I'd be a little frustrated because this whole consolidation zone here moving sideways is it's very frustrating. Very, very frustrating. And this is a 30-minute, you know, 1 hour, 4 hour. I know it's all a whole bunch of wiki. You know, super, super frustrating. Super frustrating. Come on, US30. Come on down, hit this TP1, and then find yourself down to TP2. So everybody that is holding here can have a beautiful Friday. And that's it. Everybody can have a lovely, lovely, lovely Friday. Yeah. Too emotional? I'm not emotional at all. I'm not emotional at all with my trading. I'm logical with my trading. You're saying I'm emotional because I closed with news. Had this went the other way, I guarantee you would have said something else about my trading. My rule is that I don't like to trade news. I entered the position before news. I already planned if news looked crazy, I was going to get out of the move and not risk it. I don't understand why that means I'm emotional. That just means I'm choosing not to break my rules, which is I don't trade news. If I'm already in a position during news, it's one thing. It depends on how much profit I'm in. It depends on the setup and what I think that news event is actually going to do. But to say somebody is emotional because they don't want to trade news or hold a move during news, you sound like a gambler. You sound like a gambler at this point. There's nothing wrong with securing a position or choosing not to roll the dice with a news candle. When you learn that, I promise you, you will find longevity in this trading game. If you think you're going to be trading news and it's going to be honky-dory all the time, good luck with that. Good luck with that. I've made a lot of money trading, not trading news. I've made a lot of money not trading news. I've saved myself a lot of unnecessary losses by not trading news. Because the market is just going to keep moving. It's just going to keep moving. It's going to give more opportunities. You can wait. You can wait. Good morning from Freddie. Good morning, Freddie. How are you, my guy? How are you, my amigo? Amigo. We had a nice little lunch the other day. Very good talk. Very good talk. You need good people around you guys. Good people, good friends, you know. You need that. So I hope you are having a good day at work today. I hope you were able to jump into these US30 sells. I hope you're ready to murder US30 with me because I got you if you are. That's the thing. Some of my friends don't realize they got the inside scoop. You know, when you know me personally, you got the inside scoop. on certain things, you know, that I might not share with everybody on the outside world, you know. If you're friends with me, you should be right next to me, securing the bag every day. Every day. Every day. Know what I mean? Know what I'm saying? Securing the bag every day. Every day. Who's still holding US30 cells? How many savages I got in the chat here? Oh, 396. We're only a couple likes away. Couple likes away before I tell this story. Couple likes away. Who's still holding? Who's still holding US30? Who's still holding US30? Who's still holding US30? Because your girl isn't. Scalper life, guys. Scalper life. Scalper life. Okay? I made $4,300 today. That's not bad. I think that's good. I think that's good. I'm out, but that profit was nice. Yeah, your profit or mine? Are you talking about yours? I think it was yours. Still in that trade, LOL. I'm not moved at all. Yep, I'm telling y'all. Mines. All right. Good job, Rosalind. Love it, girl. Love it, girl. Love it. Yeah, I want to see how many of y'all have, how many of you guys have ice water running through your veins, because that's the type of person you gotta be to be trading news. You gotta have ice water pumping through your veins. Like, yeah, nothing phases me. Nothing phases me. Get this news candle. I could take that. I could take a licking and keep on ticking. You know what I mean? Yeah. You had a beautiful rejection bearish wick. You should have just stayed in that trade. Nope. I should have just did exactly what I did, which was got out. So, look at y'all telling me how to trade US30, y'all. Look at y'all telling me how to trade US30. Come up. Are you for real?
I was just about to say, who got the nerve? Like,
you had a beautiful rejection. You should have stayed in that trade. I should have did nothing. What? I'm not trying to sound cocky or arrogant or something, but come on. Really? I am not going to walk into Mark Zuckerberg's office and tell him how to run Facebook or Instagram. Y'all better stay in y'all place. What? Listen. I just made $4,300 on that little tiny itty bitty move on a Friday, on a week where I have been getting my cheeks clapped left and right. You think I'm worried if US30 decides to melt from here? No, I won for the day. I'm good with that. I won for the day. You guys fail to realize you just want to win. How much you win is irrelevant. You just need to win. Okay? $4,300, and I did that I entered this trade right around the time we got on the live, which was what? About 40 minutes ago. Okay? You guys lose the sense of what we're doing here. What is our goal here? Is our goal to catch big ass moves every single day? No, that's not how I trade. SharleneFX does not look for 100, 300, 400, 7,000 point moves every day. SharleneFX looks to win every day. That's it. That's it. Sometimes you win some, sometimes you don't. Sometimes you win big, sometimes you don't. I have found myself to be a profitable trader by scalping the market and taking little wins. You know why? Because little wins turn into big wins. They grow into big wins. And I don't mean a $500 day turns into a $5,000 day. I mean a $500 day, another $500 day, another $500 day, another $500 day. You pack all of those together, and then you have yourself bigger wins. Yes? Yes, that's the objective, guys. Too many of us are just enamored by catching big moves and all of that. That's great. Can you do it again is the question. It's just one trade. This is one trade, guys. One out of a million that you're probably going to take. It's just one. When I break my rules, 90% of the time, when I break my rules, I lose. I lose. It's much harder for me, guys. It's much more difficult for me to take a loss after I was in nice profit than it is to just completely be wrong on the trade. Those losses are harder for me to take than being wrong. If I decide to take a sell here and the market decides to do this, this loss right here hurts more. No, I'm sorry. This loss right here doesn't hurt more than if I took this sell right here and I was in nice profit and then it turns around and does that. This loss hurts more. This one hurts more than that because I had a win. I had a win right here in my hand. But I let greed say, no, I need the market to come down here. I need it to come here. I gave this that I had secured up for the unknown. I already know it's a given. I already had this in the bag. This already came down in profit. So it's already done. I won that trade. But I'm risking it all for something I don't even know what will happen. For $4,300 today, guys. It's not even 9 o'clock yet. It's not even 9 o'clock in the morning yet. $4,300 profit. $4,000 a day times 5 days a week is how much? $20,000 a month. It's 4 weeks in a month. That's $80,000 a month. $80,000 a month, guys, off of this. Can you guys put that in perspective in your mind real quick? Real quick, really sit down and think about it. I don't even need this. I don't need this. This right here gives me everything I need. Everything I need because I'm content with that win. I'm content with that win. That's it. Really, really, really put that up, put that in perspective in your mind. Now, are you going to win every day? No. No. This is the first win for the week for me. Last few days, loss. It happens, but I don't lose perspective on why I'm doing this in the first place. You know how many people would give their right arm to make $4,000 in one day, even once? Shit. Come on, guys. Come on. It's not emotional. It's not about being emotional, guys. Be logical. Have rules and stick to your rules. I don't care what the market does. Stick to your rules. When I took that trade, I'm very much aware there is news coming out, Charlene. You're entering this move before news. I said to myself, I see this going down. I think I could grab something before news. I might hold it during news because I don't think this news is going to be crazy. This wasn't NFP. This wasn't CPI. This wasn't anything, oh my God, I can't be in the market at all. This is something basic, regular shit. So I have a plan for my move before I even enter the move. I know what I'm going to do. Charlene, if news comes out and this thing starts tripping, get out. And guess what? That candle was tripping. What did I do? I got out. I'm not going to hold it hoping that it goes my way when I was already in profit. And it's news. I don't know how to trade news. I will scream it from the mountaintops, guys. I don't know how to trade news. I don't. I'm not a fundamental trader. I tried it. I tried studying fundamentals. It was like reading Chinese gibberish to me. I couldn't understand it. I understand the news, but I did not know how to correlate that to the charts the way fundamental traders do. It's not my thing. I can't do it. So I stick to what I'm good at. And your girl is good at scalping. Get in, get out, go on about my day. I got a headache that's throbbing on both sides of my head right now. I'm dying to just go lay down. You think I want to sit in a trade while I got this headache right now? Now I got to keep looking at my phone. I got to keep on seeing my profit go up and down. I ain't got time for that today. It's Friday. Take your money, get in and get out. Okay? That intraday life, that swing trader life, that set and forget life does not have anything to do with Charlene. You will not see me ever promoting those things because they don't work for me. If they don't work for me, I'm not going to tell you to go off and do it. For some people, it does work. For some people, it does work, but for me, it doesn't. Charlene, how much lot size did you use? I was losing 0.70s. I had 3 positions, 0.70 each position. Okay. The objective is to win. It's not about to make $1 million on every trade or to catch 80,000 points on every move. Excuse me. All right, so we hit 442 likes on this stream. Beautiful. So yesterday, so here's the story. Yesterday, I was taking a nap. I take a nap almost every day. Almost every day. I like my midday naps. So I'm taking a nap yesterday, and I get a phone call, and it's a coworker of mine that I used to work with at the police department. So my sister is still a police officer at the same department, so we both have the same last name. So at the police department, you go by last names. So everybody, calls Cadet. So when you have someone in your phone, you usually just have it as Cadet. So sometimes a lot of people call me thinking they're calling my sister for something for work related, but they're actually calling me. So I always have to tell them, oh, you got the wrong one, got the wrong sister. Here's her number, da-da-da-da-da. Cool. But that particular phone call was from a coworker of mine who I knew, who I was friends with on the job. So I answered it. I'm like, let me call her. Let me say what's up. Say hi. I haven't talked to her since I left and everything. So let me answer the phone. So I answered it, half asleep. I was still kind of in between my nap and half awake. Answer the phone. And I said, hello. What's up, girl? She says, hey, Cadet. How are you? How's everything going? This and that. I said, I'm good. How are you? A little small talk. And then she says to me, mind you guys, I'm half asleep still. She says to me, Cadet, do you know that you have a $29,000 check sitting here? I sat up quick, guys. I went from this to what? I said, excuse me? She started laughing. She's like, yeah, girl, you have a $29,000 check sitting here. And I said, what for what? What is that? What do you mean? She says, when you left the job, you did not claim your portion of the 1% fund, and that your portion was $29,000. That's how much it was when you left. And I said, I knew what the 1% fund is. So the 1% fund, basically, guys, is it's a fund that is not ran by the actual department. I think it's ran by the city of Miami. And it's like when you pay speeding tickets or parking tickets or stuff, all of that money goes somewhere, and it gets this, it's divided in certain ways, and then it's all dispersed into certain accounts and certain things. So as police officers, we give tickets and we do stuff, whatever. So they made us a part of that fund. So basically, when the fund grows, we get 1% of 1% of all of those funds, basically. So everybody in the department they have their own account, and every time that money, something comes through with that money, everybody gets a piece of that pie. And over my 6 years of working there, my account had grown to $29,000, and that's what it was when I resigned from the department. And you actually get that money when you retire or you resign, whatever the case. That's your money. You get to take it and keep it and do whatever you want, and they give it to you tax-free. You take it, whatever. I'm going to pay taxes on it later, obviously, but you get that money. So when I left the job, I didn't even think about that because I wasn't, no one thinks about that fund because it's not anything big. We don't have access to that account. It's just there. It's just, your name is there. It's on your account. It's your name. Boom. It's just there. When you want to take it out, you go take it out, whatever the case. So I hadn't even thought about that fund. I hadn't even thought about it. When I left my job, I left with about, I think I left with almost 24,000. Because I left with my last 2 paychecks. I cashed out all my vacation time. I cashed out all my comp time. And I had about, I think 100 or so sick time, but they don't let you leave with your sick time. You have to use it or lose it, which kind of sucks because it's my money, it's my time. I don't know why they didn't give it to me, but it's part of our contract. Your sick time, you can't leave with it. So actually what I did was, the day I resigned, I actually pushed it back like 3 weeks. And for those whole 3 weeks, I just called out sick every day so I could use up my sick time, because I didn't want to give it back to them. I was like, nah, I'm going to use it. So no, this is the day I want to leave. I'll just call out sick on all these days to use up all my sick hours. And that way I'll get my money for it, you know? That's how you get your money for it, basically. So yeah, I left with like a nice chunk of change when I left the department. Nothing too crazy, but I left with a good amount. And then I left with like almost 20-some thousand when I left the job. And then I had about 41,000 in my retirement account, which is still sitting there. I never touched it. Just let it sit there and accrue interest. And now they're telling me I have another $30,000 that was sitting there that I never claimed. And I'm like, wow. So anyway, she says to me, when you trying to come get this money? Because it's been sitting here for over a year since you left. And I was like, I wasn't in the mood. I wanted to say I'll come get it right now, but it was like, I don't know, 3, 4 in the afternoon or whatever. It was late in the day. So she's like, well, here's this number, call this lady. And, you know, when you're ready to come pick it up, give them a call so they can, you know, get it ready for you. And then, you know, come pick up your coins, girl. Because she's like, girl, did you know you had all this money sitting here? Like, what are you doing? So I started laughing, giggling. So we started talking a little bit, and that was it. So after I hung up with her, I just sat up in the bed and I'm like, are you kidding me right now? Like, can you guys imagine just having $30,000 just fall into your lap that you weren't even expecting? Like, imagine you had an emergency or you had something coming up, or you know, and to just have that fall in your lap. It's just crazy. And all I could think of was, when you do good things come back to you. Good things come back to you, because yeah, the money was always there. You know, it was kind of lingering there this whole time, but that, you know, something could have happened. It could have, you know, I could have never had it. Something could have, whatever, this and that. They could have said, oh, you know, you have X amount of time to claim it after you leave or whatever, and you know, whatever. I don't know, but I was like, wow, that's pretty awesome. That's pretty. And if it, you know, every dollar is important. Every dollar is important. You know what I'm saying? So even if it was a $200 check or something, okay, that's still $200. You know what I'm saying? But to have $29,000 just lingering there, just sitting, I could go buy a car. I could throw it into my house fund. I could, you know, you could do a lot with 30,000. You could start a business. You could, you know, pay off bills for a year, 2 years. That's a lot of money. That's a lot of money. And I'm just sitting here thinking, man, I had a really crappy week on the charts. It wasn't really bothering me too much. It wasn't like I took crazy losses or anything like that. So the losses really didn't bother me too much. But I've been on a losing streak all week. And then, you know, I get that phone call yesterday, and it's like, you know, wow, that's pretty dope. That's pretty cool. So anyway, it was cool. It was cool. It was really, really cool to have that happen. I don't have any plans for that money. I'm not even going to pick it up until next week sometime, because I don't live in Miami, so I have to find a reason to go to Miami sometimes. I don't really like driving down there all the time. So yes, everybody on this live would drive 20 minutes to go get a $29,000 check. But I'm just, you know, I'm the kind of person, guys, if I was to win the lotto, I would be happy or whatever, but I wouldn't be in any kind of rush to like go blow the money, to like, oh my God, I need this. Because some people, before they even get money, they spend it in their head already. It's already spent. They're already like, yeah, I'm going to do this. I'm going to do that. I'm going to do. And before you know it, the money's gone. The money's gone. They don't take time to think. They don't take time to plan. They want to go and tell everybody about it. I told a grand total of 2 people about that yesterday. That's it. 2 people about it. And both of them were in the same room at the same time. That's why they both knew. So, when you do good, guys, when you're genuine and you have a good heart, you get blessings. You get blessings, be it monetary, life blessings, you know, health blessings, all types of stuff. Good things just gravitate towards you. Good things just gravitate towards you. You know what I'm saying? So I was just very like, I just said thank you. I just said, looked up, thank you. Thank you, my Lord. Thank you, God. Thank you, thank you, thank you. You take care of me. You come through for me every day. You show me every day why what I'm doing is right. Give me the strength to continue doing what I'm doing, because obviously something's working. Something is working. Do you want to get married? No prenup? That's funny. That's funny. But yeah, guys, I mean, I don't know. It's a very good feeling. Very, very good feeling. But I did decide that I'm gonna bless somebody. I'm gonna bless somebody, because that was money that I didn't really work for. I mean, I guess I did. I had the job, so it, you know, I did work for it technically. But it's just money that literally fell out of thin air. I ain't gonna lie. That money literally just fell out of thin air for me. So pay it forward, you know, pay it forward. So I'm going to think about doing something really nice for somebody. Something really nice for somebody who I feel like, you know, would really appreciate it, you know. So I'm thinking of what I want to do right now, because like I said, I don't have any plans for that money. I'm just going to take it and dump it into one of my, either one of my investment accounts, or just stick it in one of my savings accounts and just, you know, let it sit there. But that's what I hate doing, though. I hate, guys, having money and not making it work for me, not letting it do something for you, because idle money is basically like no money. You know, you need your money working for you, because think about it. On your job, right, guys? How many times y'all get paid? Twice a month? I don't know too many jobs that pay every week anymore. Most jobs are every other week. Twice a month, right? Every other Friday. 4 Fridays in a month, you get paid 2 of them. But you're spending money every day. You only get money deposited into your account twice a month if you have a job. But you gotta pay for gas. You gotta buy lunch. You gotta give your kids money for school, for whatever they need. You gotta pay these bills that are popping up here and there. Money is literally being drained out of your account every day, but it only comes into your account twice a month. Make it make sense. The math is not mathing, right? It's not mathing. If I'm gonna have money bleeding out of my account every day for all types of odds and ends, then I need that same money to be pouring back into my account. So when you guys get money, you make money trading, you make money on your business, you make money on your job, overtime, whatever the case may be, have a plan for that money, guys. Don't just think, okay, yeah, I'm working extra hours just to pay bills, just to pay my car note extra, just to do this, just to do that. Think about it first. Yes, okay, I might be working overtime to pay this bill, to, you know, put a little bit away for savings, pay off my car note, or, you know, put a little bit away in my kids' college fund, or whatever the case might be. But put a little bit to the side as well for something else, like to make that money work for you. Make it work for you. Otherwise, why are you working? Just to break your back? Like, just to be in the same spot the same plot every day? Like, for me, it's not for me. It's not for me, guys. It's too many opportunities out here. There's too many ways to make money out here without having to, quote unquote, get a job. You know what I'm saying? Nothing wrong with getting a job, but only if you want to. If you don't really want to, then you got to find a way to not have to do that. You know what I mean? So I don't have plans for it at the moment. you know, I have money doing other things, so it's not like I needed that money and I have to go dump it in this or that. I do have plans to do something nice for someone with it, but I also want to find a way. You know, if you have 30,000, I'm thinking, how can I turn that into 100,000? How can I take that 30 and turn it to 100, but not using the whole 30? You know, how can I take 10 or 20 or 15 of it and turn that into 80, 90, 100,000? And then how do I turn that 100,000 into 200,000 or 250,000? And then take that 250,000 and turn that into and keep the cycle going, you know? Make your money work for you so that at some point when you want to just lay back and kick your feet up and say, you know what, I don't want to do jack shit today, you can do that. Because, you know, you got this coming over here, you got that going on over here, you got this, that, da, 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 da. You got all that happening for you. It's truly, truly a blessing, you know. When something unexpected, very good happens to you, I think you have a fiduciary responsibility to pay it forward. I think you do. So, I have 2 CDL jobs and it still is not enough. I don't see how people get too comfortable out here. Lifestyle, I think. I think it's more lifestyle than anything, you know? So, and there's nothing wrong with liking nice things. I like nice things. There's nothing wrong with it, but, you know, you want to, in moderation, you know? In moderation. Oops. God damn it. So we'll see. We'll see. I don't know what I want to do yet. I don't know who I want to do it for, but I will give it some serious thought and we will see. We shall see. So, somebody speaking? Mute, unmute? Yes, no, maybe? US30, I don't know what she's doing right now. Are we going up or down? What are we doing? You're looking like you want to go up, right? Because we formed a little area, a little mini zone of support here. Little mini zone of support. We rejected that pretty hard. We came back up, left no wick. No wick. This candle didn't even try to go up. And now it's looking like it wants to come back down. But we would need to break this support here for it. I think at 9:30. Yeah, it's 9:04. So 9:30 after whiplash time is up. I think we'll see something here. Let's wait on that whiplash and see what happens. I get paid every week. Nice, nice, nice. I need a miracle today. Praying for it. Amen. We all do. That amount of money is life-changing here. It's life-changing everywhere. It's life-changing everywhere. 29K one day and 4K next. I respect how you stick to your scripts. Amen. 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 Love it. Love it. Love it. Sell gold now? Is that a question or statement? Can you please check gold again? Gold is stuck in the range here. Wait, I need the gold to close. I need a closure above there. If we can get a closure above there, we should be good to go to start pumping up here. Gold is collecting liquidity here to either pump up or pump down. I have no idea. But right now, if we hold this support, we should be good to go for the buys to continue up. Yes, I use trading to fund my business. Very good. Very good, very good, very good. Healthy mindset. Thanks for sharing this knowledge. You're welcome, you're welcome, you're welcome. US30 is still looking bearish to you, Charlene. Yes, it is. It's going to be bearish until we break this high. If we do not break this high, everything below here is a sell. Everything below here is a sell. If we do not break this high, we're selling, 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 and what do you know? Selling. We need to break this high, and even if after we break it, we need to retest it, create an area of support that rejects, and then continue bullish. If you do not see this structure, I have to look for sells below this area. I cannot look for buys. Cannot look for buys yet. Does price form newfound structure? Yeah, you know, we have a low, higher low, higher low, higher low. Yeah, price is doing something like this right now. We could very well do that. But until we break this high, I have to continue looking for sells. Anything above here is a buy. Anything below here is a sell. Okay. All right. That is my logic on US30 here. US30 is not a difficult pair to trade, guys. I'm telling y'all, it's not a hard pair. It's not a hard pair at all. If you mark off your zones properly, and you wait and you analyze, you're gonna make a lot of money. You're going to make a lot of money with this pair. Let me tell you. If watching me every day is not proof enough, I don't know what to tell you guys, because I literally do the exact same thing every single day. Every single day. All of you on here should know exactly how I trade just by watching me every day. Just by watching me every day. I'm literally doing it live in front of y'all every day. Every day. You sit down, you watch a solid week of me trading, and you'll see I'm looking for the same exact stuff. Why did you leave your job? What kind of question is that? US30 bearish for sure. Back in profit for dirty 30. So it looks like Joel held his trade. Did you leave your job for trading? No, I left my job for freedom. Damn, I wish I got in those sells, but I wasn't sure. 2 big drops in a row was iffy for me. You got to feel confident, Jazzy. You have to feel confident in the move. For me, it's normal to get paid once a month in Germany. Oh, okay. That's different in different places, I guess. Been watching you since this week. I learned a lot. Good. Very good. Very good. Very good. Very good. Glad to hear that. Very glad to hear that. Oh. Did anybody re-enter sells after they close profit on these? Some traders do that. They'll wait for price to come back to their entry, take the trade, and if price comes back to that entry and it respects, they'll take it again. They'll take it again. I don't know. I have a mental block with that. I have a mental block. It won't let me do that. My rules refuse to let me. It's been a while since I've taken... No, this week I took... What day was that? I think it was Wednesday. I took 3 trades that day. No, 2 trades that day. But the last few weeks, I've literally only taken 1 trade. One position. Not one position, 1 setup. So, yeah. I re-entered. Nice, 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 nice. That is true. Your style of trading is a blessing in my life. Very good, very good, very good. Charlene, I'm still in a sell. All right, all right, all right. 833 watching. Can we get some likes, guys? Can we get the likes up? Can we get the likes? You guys give me more likes, I'll give you another story. Y'all get the likes up, more stories. Y'all love my story times. So let me see. Let me see. We don't miss your live session every day. Now, I know that's right. It's such a scam. What's a scam? What's a scam, Divinity 94? What's a scam? Mirrored pattern on the 5-minute. Yeah, US30 has a lot of mirrored patterns. A lot of mirrored patterns. I teach a lot of that in my course. Lots of mirror patterns. Mirror patterns will make you rich. They really will, because all you have to do is train your eyes to recognize them. Train your eyes to recognize those patterns, and yes, you will start seeing them, and oh my goodness. Do you use the 1-minute time frame? Absolutely, positively not. When do you go live? Read the description box. Holding sell is correct on US30. Is that a question? Y'all need to start putting question marks behind these things if they're questions or not. I don't know. Shout out to Calvin for finding you. Yeah, Calvin's a good dude. Good dude, good guy. We had a great interview, great talk. He's a good guy. We met for breakfast once. He's got some great insight, great wisdom, you know, great, really good guy. Are you in this trade? If the daily trend is bullish, why wouldn't we want to look for the pullbacks and catch buys back up? Okay. If the daily trend is bullish, let's see here. So when you say daily trend, I'm assuming you're talking about the entire structure, not just the candle by itself. Okay. Technically, yes, we are bullish. Okay. But the rule of thumb is what? You take sells at a high and you take buys at a low. Yes, the trend right now is bullish. We are holding an area of support there. We broke above this support. If I pull this zone all the way over here, we were holding resistance. Now that resistance is now holding as an area of support. If you know US30, you will know that US30 likes to hold zones for a certain amount of time. This is a daily zone here, guys. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23 days, almost an entire month, we held this zone right here for a whole month. And guess what? Imagine if you would have just sold here and bought here for the entire month. Guarantee you that's a profitable month. That's a profitable month. You don't forget that at some point these highs are going to get broken or these lows are going to get broken. You don't forget that. But at the same time, you follow what the market does at certain areas. You follow what the market does at certain points of the market. So if I'm looking at US30 here, right? If I'm looking at US30 here, and I say, okay, the daily structure, yes, technically the daily structure is nice and bullish. Candles are kind of ping-ponging inside this zone here. I have to look at how that daily candle is forming. But at the same time, why stress myself with what's going on inside here when all I have to do is wait for reactions at my high or wait for reactions at my low? I could do that. I could do that. I don't have to take a trade inside no man's land. All of this inside here is no man's land. I don't want to take trades in here. I only want to wait for price to come back to my major areas. And then when they do, all I got to do is wait for my entry confirmations, take the trade, scalp it, get in and out, and wait. And wait. For those of you that felt like you missed out on that entry this morning, US30 pulled right on back up to our entry area and is now back to where price was when news dropped. When news dropped. Price action, market structure, waiting for candlestick confirmations. It's a routine, guys. It's a routine that you have to kind of train yourself to be able to find, to be able to stick to and to find. And then obviously risk management and knowing, listen, you're trading a pretty volatile pair here. This thing could wake up. Look what it did to us yesterday. This thing started pop, and then dump, knocking out all types of lows, creating a new low before it continued bullish. Okay, no reason at all for this not to continue down here. If we have major areas and just look for confirmations of those areas. Someone said, Charlene, US30 is bullish. How come we're not looking for the buy? Well, I know that these highs were the last time that US30 tapped these highs. So anytime US30 taps here, it better break it and give me a closure above that area. If I don't get that closure, I need to tell myself to look for the sell. The market is only going to go one of two ways, guys. It's only going to go up or it's only going to go down. Which confirmations give you the highest probability for whatever your trade idea is? If you think if you think US30 is going to go up, what are your confirmations telling you it's going to go up? And then say, okay, if you think it's going to go down, what are your confirmations telling you it's going to go down? Which one has more confirmations, going up or going down? That's the side of the market you want to take. That's why it's about quality trades. It's about high probability setups. It's not about how many positions you can take, how big of a move you can catch. No, it's about the technicals of what you're looking at. It just takes time. That's all. Just study as much as you can, guys. This is not stuff I learned in one day or overnight. This is years and years and years of studying and studying and studying and backtesting and losing and winning and trying to understand what the heck is the market doing. What do these candles mean? What do these wicks mean? How do I identify my supply and demand zones? How do I identify my support and resistance zones? How do I know what a valid higher high or a valid lower low is? How do I identify where liquidity is sitting? These are all things that come with time, but you have to be patient with yourself. You have to be confident within yourself. Actually put in the time to what you're doing. Actually put in the time to learn your craft. It will come to you. I promise you guys, it will come to you. If you made it this far in your trading, you can keep going. You can keep going. You guys know how long it took me to learn support and resistance? It took me 3 months. That's a long time to study support and resistance, guys. My dumb ass could not understand support and resistance for the life of me. You couldn't pay me to understand support and resistance. I almost quit trading because I could not understand what the hell support and resistance was and how to trade it. And support and resistance is the bane of trading, literally. It's everything. You can't trade without knowing support and resistance. You have to. You have to. I don't care what indicator you have, what AI you're using, what algo you're using, who's giving signals. You have to know support and resistance. I almost quit trading because I could not understand support and resistance. But I didn't give up. And now I understand it like the back of my hand. You give me any chart, any pair, any session, and I can break it down for you. That's where you want to get to with your trading. You're a math teacher, you give me any math problem and I can solve it. Period. And then there's the psychology aspect. You don't want to be greedy. You don't want to overtrade. You don't want to revenge trade. You don't want to let outside factors cloud your judgment, make you jump on the charts with, oh, you know, I had a rough day. I got into a fight with my boyfriend. Now I'm on the charts and I'm losing. If you're not focused, your head is not clear, don't trade. You need to be focused. You got to know what you're doing. You're risking real money here. This is not play. It's not monopoly money here. Take it seriously. Take it seriously, guys. It will come to you. The knowledge will come. You will have that aha moment. I understood gold from an aha moment on a one-on-one with a student. I understood US30 from an aha moment from a student studying those pairs. It wasn't that, oh my God, suddenly I understood it because it just came out of thin air. No, it was all that time that I spent studying AU, studying EU, studying GJ. All of that knowledge transferred over into the harder pairs because my knowledge went up. The things that I was looking at became more clear to me. Things started becoming a little bit more, they started making more sense to me. And guess what? When your knowledge goes up, what else goes up? Your confidence goes up. After that, it's over. If you have all the confidence in the world, you're going to make a lot of money trading. But you got to have the knowledge first. With the knowledge comes the confidence. With the confidence comes the money. I just found out a friend of the family just passed away this morning. I probably won't trade for the rest of the day. Sorry for your loss, my guy. Sorry about that. I heard about someone passing away yesterday as well. So, you know, life is short, man. You guys gotta, you know, cherish the people you have around you. Yeah, something like that. I mean, if this is somebody you knew, somebody you're close to, you know, if it's affecting you, don't trade. It's okay. The markets are not going anywhere. Take your time, grieve, do what you got to do. When you're ready to come back, the markets will be right here waiting on you. Yeah, a death is the worst things to go through. So, I mean, there's nothing worse than losing somebody you love. So, yeah, that's definitely a no-no for trading. Definitely a no-no. No, I have a death in my family. You guys will not see me. Y'all won't see me. Sorry. It's not happening. So, you know, that's what it is. That's what it is. All right. Did you buy the Cat Williams tickets? I'm going to the one in Sunrise. Junior, you will see me there. Because, yes, we got our tickets yesterday. We bought 7 tickets yesterday. 7 of us are going, and it's going to be a movie. Yes, I will be in Sunrise in April, front and center, ready to laugh my ass off at Cat Williams. Yeah, I got my tickets yesterday. We all got them yesterday. And we almost got took yesterday, too, because there's all these different sites that are selling the tickets. And one site where we wanted to sit at, the tickets were, I think, like $200 something, $300 and change. And we looked, and my cousin found another site that had them for like half price in the same spot, the same seats we wanted to sit at. We found them for $77, guys, and we almost paid almost $300 for them. I was like, "Are you freaking kidding me?" I was like, "Oh no." So you gotta be careful. So I'm like, yo, these sites are robbing people. They're straight robbing people, literally. Because I'm like, are you kidding? You're about to make me pay $300 and change for a seat that I could get for $70. Bugging. But yeah, we got our tickets yesterday. I cannot wait. I can't wait. I'm so mad it's in April. I wish that thing was like next week or something. Like, I really want to see this show. Because I know it's going to be funny. I know it's going to be funny. And this is going to be my first time seeing him live. All of his stand-up shows, I never knew when he had them. So I would always wait. I would always have to wait till they came out on TV or something for me to see it, or Netflix or something. And I have a feeling this tour is going to be on Netflix. I think they're going to put it on Netflix because he said he had an 8-figure deal with Netflix for his next stand-up. And if he's making, you know, $100,000, $200,000 per show that he's doing, and he has a Netflix deal, he's trying to make a bag off of that, off this tour. And he has a lot of dates. So this man, Cat Williams knows what he's doing. His marketing was spot on. Because that podcast, I think it's up to like 50 million views right now. So, or close to it. So I think the last time I saw it was like 47 or 42 million, something like that. But yeah, everybody's going. Everybody's going. Shows are selling out left and right. So I can't wait. I cannot wait. I'm gonna get me a nice outfit. I'm gonna be ready to go see Cat. I laugh my ass off. So I'm more excited though to see Kevin Hart's wife, or ex-wife, I should say, because they said that she used to write all his material. She used to write all his jokes. Like she wrote all his stuff, made him basically funny and famous, and then he runs off and cheats on her and marries the side chick. Like, bro, really? They said she's coming for Kevin. She said she is ready with them jokes about him. So I'm like, yeah, I'm here for it. I'm here for all the tea. I'm here for all of it. So it's gonna be nice. Should be nice. But yeah, we got our tickets. Are we entered in the US30 sale? Since the Shay Shay interview, yesterday's price ain't today's price no more. Yeah. Yeah. Thanks for sharing your journey. Appreciate your transparency. Oh, you're welcome. I bought mine off StubHub. What site did you buy yours on? We got ours off of, I'll tell you right now. We got it off of, what's the name of this site? I didn't write it. Let me look at the email. SeatGeek. We got it off SeatGeek. So, you want to get your tickets for the low, go to SeatGeek and you'll get them. So, yeah. Can't hear the music anymore. Do. Freaks come out at night. What? Money Mike? Oh, Gold. Gold is just playing with people's emotions today. Gold is playing with people's emotions today. He's funnier in person, no cap. he's funny, but in person it hits different. Oh wow, I can't wait. I can't wait. His stuff is so funny. His man is so funny, and he came off so real in the interview. He came off like he was letting it out, you know what I'm saying? Letting us know what's up. So she may spill all the tea about Kevin. Yeah, that's what I'm hearing. That's what I'm hearing. They were like, she's not pulling no punches. She's letting it all out because she wrote a lot of his material when he first started, you know. She gave an interview. She was like, yeah, we were supposed to be this power couple. You know, he was the face and I was in the background, you know, writing all his stuff, scheduling his dates, you know, managing him, this and that. Like, she was his partner, you know, she was involved just as much, you know, she had a lot to do with his fame, you know. And then when he divorced her, I think they said she only got like 100,000 out of the divorce. Like, she should have got half his shit. She should have got half of those millions, you know. She had a part in him making that money. You know, he did her dirty, man. Cheated on her. You know, obviously we don't know the whole story. You know, we just don't know what's out there. But that's why I can't wait to see this show, because I want to hear what she got. This was her side of the story. We heard Kevin's side. We need to hear her side now. So she picked the right time. She picked the right person to do it with and the right time. So I'm here for all of it. I'm going to be right there sipping on my tea, listening and laughing my ass off. So, Charlene, are you in a sell or close? Miz on me. Mbakabab encore. Mbakabab. Yeah. I can't. Cat is the best live show I've ever seen. Wow. Y'all getting me all excited about this? Jeez. Have to wait all the way until April. April, man. January, February, March, April. Jeez. All that time. Ugh. Jeez. Come on, Cat. Should have came sooner. So. Cat is the best live show ever. Yeah. You don't know what is 100% true. Yeah, we don't. We don't. We can only go by what's put out there. You know, that's why I say we don't know the whole story. We don't know. We just hear what the blogs were saying, what Kevin was saying, you know. So now she's going to have a voice. She's going to have a voice. Now, I think it's a little overdue, outdated. I don't know. Because, you know, they've been divorced for a minute now. What has it been, like, 8 years, I think? 7 years, something like that. It's been a minute. So, you know, if there was going to be a time, she should have did it back then when it was relevant. But I guess it's now, Kat brought it up again. So now it's back relevant now. So, you know, it is what it is. But they said she's funny. They said she's funny. And, you know, she's her own comedian in her own right. So we gonna see. We about to see. I think she is funny because I don't think Kat would risk his rep like that, putting her on in his show, knowing she wasn't funny. She has to be funny because Kat is not, I don't think he's playing that. Like, Kat is too funny. He's too up there in the game. Like, I don't think he would have somebody who is mediocre funny on his stuff. I think she's knee slapping funny, I think. So I can't wait. I can't wait. Roslyn said, I will be in Orlando next week. I am excited. Are you going to the show in Orlando? Or are you just going to be in Orlando? Let me know. Let me know. She's going to air him all the way out. Yeah. All right. 9:30. Let's get that whiplash. Oh, you're going to the show. Nice, nice, nice. Please tell me how it is. Don't tell me none of the jokes. Just tell me how it is after the show. Yes. I almost bought tickets to the Orlando show because I'm twice. I still think we're going to go down. But this whiplash ain't much here. It's not really, you know, it's not it's not doing what it usually likes to do here on a Friday. It's not doing it. Oh, Charlene Creole on phone. Yes. Yes. When I get frustrated, two things come out. The New York comes out of me or the Creole comes out of me. The Haitian comes out of me. So. Assez-moi d'une question. Imbécile. Stop asking me stupid questions. You know what I'm saying? It's ridiculous. Are you in this trade? No. I already showed y'all I'm not in this trade. You know what I mean? US30 is acting like it wants to go bullish. It's acting like it wants to go bullish. You never really know. Never really know. It keeps coming down. How many points? 77 points. 77 points, guys. On a one lot, that is $700, y'all. And y'all out here trying to catch these big ass moves when all you need is this. Y'all bugging. Y'all are bugging. Ooh, 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 ooh. We going up. We going up. We going up. What we doing? What we doing? We got to break this zone, though. Yes, 30. I'm getting stuffy. Ooh, there she goes. There she goes. There she goes. We see. We ain't break this low. Let's see. Let's see. Are we going to hold this support here? Let me see. Yeah, we still got to break this high. I don't care. Yeah, this could wick out and come back down. We still got to break that high. And if we do break this high, then this is our newfound support right here. Well, let me go to the higher time frames. Hold on. Hold a minute. US30 is not playing fair. Wanting to take everybody out. Well, it's still in a good spot. You know, we're still in this zone. We're still in this zone. It needs to break. It needs to break this zone. It's 9:30. This is, because remember, this is a 30-minute candle that's flying up like this. If it's flying up like this, it's 30 minutes of a 1 hour candle. So if this thing flies up like this in the first 30 minutes, and if it rejects and it comes down in the next 30 minutes, that's an hour rejection, which means we're probably going to be tumbling down. That's why I say this candle needs to come up. It needs to come up. So either this is a buildup of wicks for this to push up, or this is going to reject and flip and break its low and come back down. Either way, though, it needs to break that high. If we don't get a closure above that zone, above these highs here, we still cannot look for buys. It has to close strong. And even when it closed above the zone, you still have to wait for a retest and then ride it on up. Have a plan, guys. Always, 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 always have a plan for what you want to see. Have a plan. All right. All right. We don't break this zone, we're coming back down. No closure, no entry. And that's it. If price breaks above this area, sells are invalid. Sells are invalid. Anything below here is still valid for the sell. We break above and we close and we start getting rejections at the low. Nah, most likely we're probably going back up. Most likely we're probably going up. Cannot. Your candle closures are very, very strong candle confirmations, guys. Very strong confirmations. Charlene, what are you doing? Nothing. I'm not taking any more trades. I am done for the day. I'm done trading for the day. That's it. Finito. Done for the week. I took enough spankings this week. I got my little win today. It's a wrap. It's a wrap. You feel me? Oh. Oh. Finish. When you guys think I should go pick that check up? Today? Tomorrow? Next week? Well, not tomorrow. Tomorrow's the weekend. Thank you. Writing all of this down. No, cool. Good stuff. Good stuff. But this stuff is already on my YouTube, guys. You can watch it back whenever. You know, you can watch it back whenever. I should go pick it up on Monday. Yeah, I guess. I don't know. I gotta find something else to do in Miami on Monday too. I can't just go just for the check. I need something else to do out there. I need something else to do. Bow, 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 bow. Monday, no time like the present. Oh my God, I just read that it has been 4 years since Kobe died. Time flies. I feel you. I'm in Fort Lauderdale. I put all Miami errands in one day. Yeah. Yeah, I'm not going for that one thing. Heck nah, I need something else. I need something else. You're the best the way you trade. Once you're done, you don't care what the market do. I really don't. Can't stress yourself out with that. You cannot stress yourself with that. Nope. Market's gonna keep moving, guys. It doesn't stop. You're not gonna catch every single move. Doesn't stop. Are you still looking for trades? Who wants to answer that question for me? I thought I just answered it, but I guess not. Who wants to answer that question for me?
He is done for the day.
Thank you.
No more trades.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. See how easy that was?
Me.
Yes. If we hit 1,000 viewers, I'll tell you guys another story. But we gotta hit 1,000. Charlene, are you still looking into sports betting? Super Bowl is coming up. I'm actually on the sports app right now. Yes, I had a lunch date with someone. What night was that? Thursday night, I think. Thursday night, and he gave me like the rundown because I really want to learn a little bit more about it before I get involved. It's not as simple as I thought it was. I thought it was I think this team's gonna win, and then that's it. And he was telling me like it's not that simple. Like he was telling me that sports betting, guys, has nothing to do with the actual sport. He says it has to do with math and like numbers and stuff. It's all like a whole calculation that they have. And he also said, I don't even know if I should say this. He also said that sports betting or Vegas has the market rigged. Like how they say the house always wins. Yes, he said that with like, for instance, like those of you that watch football, right? Last week's NFL playoff game with Kansas City Chiefs and was it Buffalo Bills. So I'm at my dad's house and we're all watching the game, and my dad had money on Kansas City. Like, everybody in the house was going for Kansas City. I was going for the Bills. So I didn't care. I didn't have money. I wasn't betting on it or nothing. But he had money on it. So that night at dinner, and I was talking to the guy I was meeting with about it, he was telling me that Vegas needed Kansas City to win that game. They needed to win that game. Like, no matter what happened, they needed to win. He was telling me, oh my God, he told me that he has a friend of his who's best friends with Jaylen Brown. Jaylen Brown is one of the highest paid players in the NBA. He plays for the Boston Celtics, right? Overrated if you ask me. But anyway, he said he was having lunch with him one day, and he's a sports bettor. So he's, you know, trying to get info from his boy. They're best friends, so he's going to tell him certain stuff. So he says, he says he's having lunch with his boy, and he says, what's up with, you know, with the betting? And you know, he goes, listen, there's 15 guys on an NBA roster. There's what, 53 guys on an NFL roster, something like that. And there's maybe 3 to 5 refs per game. Who is easier to control? The players, where you have a whole bunch of players with a whole bunch of different outcomes, or 3 refs? He's like, the refs control the outcome of the game. When you see an NBA game and people are complaining, oh, the Lakers got 23 foul calls over, you know, 12 foul calls on that team. He said that's not by accident. That's not like, oh, he's like, no, like Vegas has it rigged. When they say the house always wins, the house always wins, they're not kidding. They need certain things to happen a certain kind of way in certain teams. And next week, I think it's what, Kansas City and the Ravens, Baltimore Ravens. And I can't wait for that game because Mahomes versus y'all, I cannot wait for that game. It's going to be a dope game. And I want to bet on that game. I want to, but I don't know enough about it yet. I don't know enough about it yet. I have the app. I'm looking at the app right now. Like, I have the Hard Rock one, the Hard Rock, and the Action Sports. So it's Hard Rock Bet and Action because it just became legalized in Florida. So, and there's a lot of money in it. A lot of people are getting into it. If you're a sports fan, you gotta get in on sports betting some kind of way. If you're in Florida, because it's not legal everywhere. It's not legal in New York. It's not legal in a bunch of places. But either way, you gotta get into it because I watch sports anyway. I was always curious about that kind of thing, but I never really knew how to get involved in it. But then when I saw my dad winning, I'm like, how much did you win, Dad? He's like, 3,000. I'm like, oh my God. That's why I know how happy he was. So, and he gets so mad when the team is not doing what he needs it to do. So I need to understand like the spreads. I need to understand what's up with the players, parlay, all that's like the terminology. It's a lot to it, guys. It's a lot to it. I thought it was just, I think that team's gonna win. I wanna bet 1,000 and I wanna win 5,000 if I win. You know, so I thought it was that simple, but it isn't. There's a lot more to it. So I created an account. I got some stuff to learn, but I can't wait. I cannot wait to learn some more about it. How's US30 pumping if DXY had news in its favor? I don't know. The spread is Ravens -3.5. I like the Chiefs to cover. I'm going for the Ravens. I really like Patrick Mahomes. That's my boy. I love him. I think he's great. But Lamar Jackson is that dude. I think he doesn't get enough credit. I would love to see him go to a Super Bowl. And I would love to see him win it. So I'm with it. I'm with it. Do you have a video on how to draw your support and resistance? Yeah, I have one on YouTube and plenty more in my course. 3K plus up to end the week for me. Thank you, Charlene. You are the best. You are the best. Lamar Jackson all the way. Yeah, I'm right there. I'm right there. Is it raining? I don't know what happened, guys. It just cut out on me. My computer just restarted out of nowhere. What the heck? Let's see here.
Just look for the mobile exclusive tag on thousands of hotels.
I just got the new performance package 5. They shipped it for free and even sent me to
right there. Is it raining? I don't know what happened, guys. It just cut out on me. My computer just restarted out of nowhere. Okay, I don't know. Can you guys see and hear me okay? Because I have no idea what just happened. Ooh. 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 What the heck? Stop it. Let's see here. Ooh. Ooh. Okay. I don't know what happened, folks. Technical difficulties here. But looks like we're back in action. This $4,000 computer better not act up on me again, because we're gonna have problems. I think it's because I leave it on all the time. I need to start turning it off at night or something. I need to start turning it off at night. I think that's what it is. Oh. Let me respond to this email I did not realize that I just got. When did you send it? Oh, okay. Okay, I got time. Yes, guys. 3 spots left for my in-person class. If you're interested, look at the description box below. Where's the email? March. Here we go. I don't know where this was, but here we go.
Yo.
What up, girl? Yo, can you see my live still?
Yeah, I think you paused.
What happened when it cut out? No, my computer just restarted on me out of nowhere.
Oh, it just cut out. Oh no, your people, they're leaving now.
No, I'm talking about the Zoom and all that. You can't see it anymore.
Yeah.
Right? It's still there?
The people are cutting out now. Look, this is supposed to be you right here, but it's blank. It's just people.
Hold up.
And look, these are your people right here.
So it's the Zoom is still open?
Technically, because I'm still in it. But your people look like they're coming. Some people look like they're coming out.
I don't know how, because it's telling me new meeting right now. Oh, and other. So how do I get back in here? Join? No. All right, I'm gonna hold on.
Send a new link.
Nah, hold on. Yo, só some da vai sair até tu.
Quer ver that my show?
Oh.
When I have my McMills. Oh, and now it ended.
It just ended. Yeah, I had to do it just now. Okay. All right, it's all good. It's all good.
You know what you should do with that money?
What?
Go to a women's shelter.
A women's, like a homeless shelter?
Like a women and children homeless shelter, and speak with like a director or something.
Mm-hmm.
Ask questions about what you can do to help.
That's not a bad idea, actually.
Yes. I don't know if there's like a children's hospital out there, because I know that's what I did with Ari. Remember I told you I did that for Thanksgiving once?
Yeah.
And went there, and you could put it under your business name. And it's like as charity. They actually sent me something, the Ronald McDonald, because I had did it under my business name.
Yeah.
And they'll send you forms like for your taxes and stuff, but obviously that's not the point of it. But go to like a women's and children's shelter, and speak with like a director or a manager and tell them, this is who I am. How can I contribute, here? ask for maybe like a specific family, or even if you just happen, like as you're walking in, and you see like a woman, ask her questions. But it'd probably be more safe for you to sit with the director. Pray to God that it's a good person. I would like to think everyone that's working in there is genuine, and they can give you some direction.
Yeah, I think that's a good idea.
And not just like handing a check over, but if you want to kind of be involved, like, do they have like a soup kitchen day? Do they have a day like where when is dinner served here? Maybe you can go to one of your restaurants, like that on the guy that owns the restaurant that you know.
Yeah.
Have him cater a whole thing that you paid for, which will support his business, and you still give him back to the shelter. So it's like a double whammy. You can do that. I love shit like that.
Yeah.
That's actually like one of my goals. Is like when I actually get to that place, is to do something like that. I actually want to go to like the Boys and Girls Club in Brooklyn. I always said like once I can do stuff like that, like I'm going to Boys and Girls.
And you expose Ari to that type of stuff too, so she knows.
Yes.
She knows how important it is to give back.
Yes. So she can understand that she's very, very, very grateful.
Yeah.
She's very blessed.
Okay. Yeah, I think I'm gonna look into that.
Especially in the Miami area, the homeless rating out there is crazy, and I'm pretty sure there's a woman and children that's there now that probably once had an apartment or once had a home before and just ended up there. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
That would be dope.
Yeah. I didn't tell my mom, right? Look at your face right now. If you can see your face right now.
Touching it with a 10-foot pole.
Nah, my nigga.
I ain't touching that shit with a 10-foot fucking. You spoke to her?
Nah, I haven't called her. I'll call her today. I know she's mad right now. I'm gonna call her right. You don't call me.
But act like you don't know shit. Hey, Mom.
Nope.
What's up?
Yup. I'm gonna be mad. I'm gonna be mad nonchalant with it.
Nonchalant.
What you doing today?
Attitude in her voice and be like, okay, ignore it.
Yes. Okay. So what you doing today?
Okay, Mom, what's up?
You went on your walk yet? What you doing?
That's you have to do it. You have to do it that way.
Yeah.
Are you gonna tell her about the check?
Hell no.
I don't think you should.
Hell no.
I don't think you should. I think you should do exactly what you said you want to do.
Yeah.
And it'd be better off that way. And you tell her after the fact, like, I got the check, but Mom, hey, this is what I did.
Nah, I'm not telling her at all. She don't need to know.
Boom, bam.
I'm not telling her at all. Yeah, how much you made today?
114.
Nigga, I know you got back in. You got back in, didn't you?
No, I did not.
Yes, you did.
I have control.
You got back in this. Yes, you did. Cause you said, yes, you did. I know you did. Cause you said, oh, thank God I pulled out before 9:30. No, you did get back in. Don't lie. Nah.
It's control and mental. You see, when I got in as soon as you got in, when we first started the Zoom, right?
Mm-hmm.
When you popped out, I wasn't out. But you see, when it started to shoot back up, I was in the negative. But I saw it about to hit that zone again. And where you drew that line, I said, I'm staying in because my thing don't go on. You had drawn there was like a support that was forming inside of the zone. And you drew a line on top of it. And I saw it reaching back that resistance.
Was that during news or after news?
Before news. It was
that couldn't have been. It couldn't have been because before news it was dropping. It was dropping, chilling. It was just slowly coming down.
That's where I came out. Where it was dropping. I was still in it.
Why you came out, dog?
You saw how it just shot back up? I would have been in the red. I can jump back in now.
Nah. Don't jump in for the sell now because I think it might go up. US30 is trying to bust up right now.
You think it's gonna break through?
Yeah, I don't know. I think it's waiting for some volume right now.
No, look, it's coming. It retested.
You gotta wait for more confirmation though. It's pushing now. It's pushing down now. But I'm trying to say like it's trying to set up to go bullish. I think it's setting up to go up because 2 times. If you look where price is at 37971 at those 2 lows, look at the 5 minute. Look at the 5 minute. Now look at the two lows. 37970. That it tapped that area twice, rejected twice. Remember, when you're looking for a certain move, you want the candle to go the opposite way first and then go your way, right? So right now, like US30 pushed up.
You see my screen?
Yeah. So US30 pushed up, right?
Oh my God! Why everybody want to call me right now? Yeah.
US30 pushed up, right? So you're after every big move, you expect a pullback, right? Yo, who's calling you? You gotta go?
You could see me? No.
Yeah. So US30 pushed up, right? Now it's pulling back. It's pulling back. If you look at the 15. Look at the 15 minute.
Hold on. You see my screen?
Yeah. I don't need to see your screen though.
I want you to see my markup.
I don't need to see your screen though. Just hear what I'm saying.
Okay.
So you see it pushing up, right? It tapped that zone, right? But 2 times before that, it on the 5 minute, 15 minute, and I guarantee if I go to 30 minute, I'm gonna see more reaction. I'm gonna see more rejection there. All right.
Okay, I'm on the 30 minute. It's
right.
a bullish candle.
Right, but you see that? You see the support where I put 37981?
37981.
Yeah. Okay. You see that? You see that support right there?
Yes.
Look at how many times price kept rejecting there. It's failing to make new lows. Yeah. Remember, there's always structure within structure. So if price is failing to break a certain low, if it can't go down, where is it gonna go?
It's gonna go up.
It's gonna go up. You know what I'm saying? So that resistance that's above that is tapping right now. That resistance, it's not gonna hold forever. At some point, it's gonna break. I don't know if it's gonna break today, but at some point, it's gonna break. So you have to look at structure within structure. So I'll explain it to you more like later, but I'm a little low key mad at you because I'm not trying to figure out why you only made $100 today. You should have made more than that off that move this morning. Girl, this shit dropped like 40, 50 points.
Oh, that's another thing.
You want to raise it?
My MT4, right?
Yeah.
I forgot to bring that up to you. I noticed when I got into a trade that I was in the red, but I'm like, I got in up here. How is it not reflecting blue yet? Because it was like a good entry because the candle started to go in our direction. Mm-hmm. The numbers, how it's reflecting on the MT4, and as I'm looking at Trader's View, is not the same. It's
not going to be the same.
Oh, it's not?
No, because the brokers have different liquidity providers. Liquidity providers are the people that give them the price at what their clients are going to get in the market at. So you're looking at TradingView, Oanda, or FXCM, whatever chart you're looking at, that's their broker. That's their liquidity. That liquidity provider may not be the same one your broker has. So it's never going to line up the same. So for instance, if you use Oanda charts, Oanda is a broker. So if you open up Oanda as a broker and you look at Oanda US30 and you enter at that price, that's the same price you're going to enter at because that's them. That's their chart. That's their liquidity provider. Well, you're talking about using this broker over here who has a different liquidity provider. The price is going to be a little bit off, but it shouldn't be that much off. It should only be by a couple points, 2-3 points max. It shouldn't.
Okay, so for instance, Oanda now is at 38,069.
Yeah.
I'm looking at MT4, it's at 38,088.
088? Mm-hmm. Yeah, that's the spread. That's the spread right there.
That's the spread?
That's the spread, yeah.
Okay, so it's correct.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I came in right when you came in, and then I came out right before news. I literally came out at that last red candle on the 5 minute.
I need you making like 500, 600 a day off that account.
But what did I do wrong?
I don't know. Where you was at when I took the trip?
I was here on time. I've been up since 6 o'clock this morning.
I'm just saying. Like, you my protege right now. I need you making a bag.
Yes. So, well, I wanna find the error. I thought that was it. I meant to bring that up to you. I thought that was it.
Nah, that's normal.
The difference, because I'm like, wait, because it was one time we all entered, and it's like, oh, we're in profits, but I was still in the red a little. I said, nah, let me look at the position.
But you be entering late. That's what I think. I think because YouTube has a delay. YouTube, like
no, I'm on the Zoom. I
okay,
don't watch the YouTube.
that's not a delay. That should be right, spot on right there. But the YouTube has a delay.
So today, so when you you came out before the jump.
I came out during the jump when it started tripping, bouncing up and down. Yeah.
You came out.
Yeah. When that candle started tripping.
You see this candle right here on the 5 minute, this green one, when this second green one, when it started to
yeah.
What's my no. Yeah, this candle right here. When this started to jump, I was still in it. I said, oh, it's gonna hit right here.
Mm-hmm. What time frame is that?
Huh?
What time frame is that?
This is the 5 minute.
Oh.
So when it hit here, I said, I see it going up. I said, once it hits here, it's gonna come back down, which is why I still held.
Mm-hmm.
So when it started to come back down right here, this is where I came out. So from here to here,
yeah.
This second green candle, between this candle and this candle, this is where I came out. But I only got like 114. But how many points is that? Between here and here.
Do it again.
Right here? Because I was in it here.
What's the price? Give me the price. What's the price? Give me the price.
38,067.
And where you got out at?
And then let me give you the exact number. I got out. Oh, so I got in at 38,037. Yeah, 08. Yeah, which was over here. Yeah, over here somewhere.
Oh, yeah.
That's the correct one, right?
Yeah.
That's when we all got in. 38,037. And then I sold at 38,015.
Yo, I'm gonna slap the shit out of you.
What?
Should have held it, man. All right, I'm gonna get you right. I'm gonna get you right. I think US30 did a hard pullback, and now that thing is trying to dump. US30 is trying to dump right now.
Can you explain to me what I did? I'm confused.
We're gonna talk about it. But I think
I came in right?
Yeah. Your entry was fine. Your entry was fine. Yeah. Your entry's
Where's
fine.
38,015? Oh, I came out early.
We gonna talk about it. It's alright. We're gonna talk about it. Will you be doing the weekly acceptance to your group call as mentioned on one of your previous calls? Will you be doing the weekly acceptance to your group? That's gonna start in March. Not next month.
And whatever you plan, if Ariel was in Florida, I would definitely send her with you.
You gotta send her down there and spend a couple days with me.
I know. To do that woman shelter thing, like whatever, let me know whatever they say, like whatever they have coming up, what you can do.
Yeah.
I will see if I can come with Ari, and you could like do it with invite Zara, and include all of us. If it's something like we can all come in and help, if it's serving food or whatever. If you catering the food, we can all come and serve the food. That would be dope.
I forgot to tell you. Guess who hit me up yesterday talking about they want to come to Florida to visit me?
Who?
Shay. Yo, I was like, yo, pull up. Pull up. Pull up. We lit for spring break. I'm not gonna be doing shit, but y'all could be lit for spring break. I don't know what they thought it was. Shit. My partying days are over, honey.
She's wild.
I know.
Shay is fucking wild.
I've been looking at her stories on IG. I'm like, yo.
You don't see her?
Yo, they litty over there. They litty in DR right now. But they young. You know, they having fun. We did that when we was their age. So
she was mad at me. She came here because she wanted to borrow my Fendi sandals. Like, I don't have no problems lending my sister's stuff. Mm-hmm. She had my foam runners for damn near a year. She brought them back to me, Charlene. The shits was scuffed, dirty. I said, "Shit, for real."
So you gave her your Fendi slides?
No, I did not. She got, because I was giving her a lecture. She was mad I was giving her a lecture and she just left. I said, "Okay, you'll be all right."
All right, cool.
See you later. My Fendi sandals are safe.
You should have just reminded her, listen, I let you borrow my shoes. You brought them back to me looking crazy. Don't do it again.
Yeah. But she said I was yelling. Maybe my tone did get a little high. But she's just so thick and didn't give it a chance that she like already left. I said, all right, go. And you see the way she twerking in DR? She would have had my shoes on her feet, stretching my shit out. She would have had my fucking shoes on her feet. Like, yeah. You too wild. She would have been stretching my shit out. Okay.
What the hell twerking got to do with shoes?
No, because when you open your legs, your feet go like this. Your feet go like this. So she would have been stretching. She would have been like this.
You stupid, yo. You stupid. You dumb, yo. Shut up.
I'm dead ass. Stretching my shit. No, and it's a quad. I'm good.
Yo.
One day I'll get help.
Yo, I never thought about that.
When people dancing, and the way she's fucking dancing, and the way she got her legs open, when you think about it, like, your feet slide to the right. So when your feet slide, fuck you, Charlie.
Yo.
What the fuck I'm talking about?
Yo, you got me rolling over. You got me dying over here.
No. Yo, because her feet's out, and all you see is her side of her feet just sliding. She's
sliding, bro.
So now just think about my shoe. She's stretching.
Sliding, bro. At that,
yes,
yo.
It slides. Your feet is sliding to the right. How
yo,
is
that F gonna look like a whole P when it's done after that shit.
Exactly.
Nah, kid. Yo, I bought a pair of Fendi slides once. Never again.
Why?
YSL will never get my money for shoes again. Fendi will never get my money. Yo, no, those shoes are so uncomfortable. How the hell are slides uncomfortable?
The ones that was in your mom's
Yeah,
closet?
I gave them to my mom. I gave them to her. I don't want these shits. No, take these things. I wore them one day. I think I wore them out. We were walking around Brickell, I think, or something. And my feet were killing me. I'm like, yo, these are slides. These ain't no heels.
And your feet were hurting?
Yes, girl. I was so mad. I was like, bro, I spent like $1,200 on these slides. I was like, yo, I wanted my money back. And they're so cute. They're so cute. But I couldn't even wear. I had to give them to my mom.
They are cute.
Fendi will never get my money again. YSL will never get my money again. Nah, I'm Gucci. I'm good on those. I'm good. You see what US30 is doing? US30's pump is she trying to bust. She's trying to bust that ceiling and take off. I'm telling you.
And you see what my thought process would have been? Because I saw that candle, that red candle, come back down, and then the third one went red, I would think that it was going to come back down.
That's why you gotta wait.
How are you looking at it? Based off how you just explained it to me?
Yes, girl.
On the 5 minute?
Yes. Look at the support. It's not only on the 5. It's on the 5, 15, 30. And then look at those rejections on the 1 hour. The rejection on the 1 hour too. Like, we're failing to make new lows. So I'm not seeing
I
like right
see.
now. It's either gonna play around up here today. It's gonna do this and play around today, or it's gonna bust and go bullish. It's gonna do one or the other. Either way, I'm not gonna know. I'm jumping off this shit in about 15 minutes. So I don't really care what it does. But yeah. But nah, you should have made more money today, this week. But this week was trash. It's all right. Next week, I need you to make,
my money back.
I need you to make 2 bands next week.
2 bands it is.
2 bands.
2 bands it is.
2 bands, withdraw, and run it back.
And run it back.
Yes.
Period.
2,000 a week. 2,000 a week is what is like right there.
With 1,600
Yes.
base?
Yeah. Girl, you know who you talking to right now?
Charlene.
All right. All right. Yo, put some respect on my name. Put some respect on my name. Don't play with me.
No, but we're gonna talk about it this weekend. What I did.
We're gonna talk about it right after I cancel this live. I'm about to get off this live in a minute. I'm done for the week. I'm done. Let me go through this chat real quick, and then I'm about to clip this shit right now. I was on a good streak, took a sell, it went up just to drop. US30 gotta stop playing and drop. Your girl need to learn to read candlesticks. Nah, she good. She's good. She's good. Charlene, thank you for all your hard work. You're welcome. You're welcome. Yo, they asking for your IG, my nigga.
Ooh.
I don't know, the chat. They asking for your IG.
YouTube or Zoom?
YouTube. Nah, the Zoom is canceled. The Zoom is gone.
How can they see me?
They can't. They just like it. They like what we talking about. They like what we talking about on here. I lost money on gold. Why? Why you lost money on gold? Because gold is tripping right now. Gold is bugging. Charlene, our Zoom kicked us out. Yeah, because I had the my computer just restarted out of nowhere. Charlene, you dropped some major gems in this video. Really appreciate you. May God continue to bless you. Thank you. Thank you. You too.
Hold on. Charlene, is YouTube can hear our conversation right now?
Yes.
Oh, so you got me on live. Talking to the YouTube.
I was bored.
Oh, hi YouTube. It's me.
I gotta go pick up my godbaby today after school.
Okay.
But I got some tea for you, girl. I got some tea.
There's always tea.
Always tea. Always tea. Never stops.
Always tea.
Never stops.
Should I go get a drink?
Yeah, you might need a drink. You might need a drink.
Okay. Please hold.
Not right now. Not right now. Not right now. Nah. I'm not telling the lie. You tripping?
Yeah, I know you're still on the live. I'm gonna go get my drink.
Oh. No, I'm about to go to the gym after this. I'm about to go to the gym, and then when I get back.
Oh, you're gonna tell me the tea when you get back?
Yeah. I gotta hit the Stairmaster today, cause I don't know. I felt my butt cheeks jiggling a little bit. So, yo, what is US30 doing? US30 is setting up to trap people right now. That's what she's doing right now. She's setting up to trap somebody.
About what?
I'm telling you, it's setting up. I don't think it's gonna move today though. I think we're gonna see something next week. I think next week is where it's at.
You're looking at the 5-minute window?
15.
15?
Mm-hmm. 15.
See? Person like me, I'm like, oh, it's coming down. But we gonna see.
That's my problem. I need to make at least a minimum of 500 a day. Still figuring out what lot size I need. It depends on your account size. It's your account size. Yo, V, they say you got a nice vibe. They like you.
They already found me?
No. They listening to your voice.
Oh, thank you.
Somebody said, hey, sweetheart. What's your name is?
Good morning.
They want to know your IG.
No.
No. She don't want that smoke.
I don't need that smoke.
You don't want that smoke, nope.
Let them do some searching.
Yes.
If they do the hard work, they'll find it. It's open too, it's public.
Ah, nous gagnons pas Haïtien. Oui, qu'à parler avec nous là. She only dates Haitian men. So if you're not Haitian.
That is so not true.
Yeah, it is. Yeah, it is. Yeah, it is.
That is so not
Yeah, it
true.
is. Your baby daddy's Haitian. Every guy I've ever seen you with has been Haitian. Don't even try it.
I don't know. There's something about them.
Okay, so just admit it. Keep it 100. Keep it 100. I've only dated one Haitian nigga my whole life. You got a whole roster.
Here we go. No, I do not have a roster.
Yes, you
Thank
do.
you very much. How come that's Charlie Top Wait till we get
Yo, the Haitians coming out. They coming out in the chat, yo. Look at the chat. Look at the chat. Look at the chat. Look at the chat, yo. This is funny. This is funny. Matter of fact, as soon as I get off this live, I'm about to bust out some compa. I'm gonna blast some compa. Oh, somebody said their first love was Haitian and they can't get over it. You'll get over them.
You'll never get over it.
Yes, you will. Don't listen to her. Yes, you will. Yes, you will. Yo, somebody said we need a podcast. Bruh.
I'm open.
Y'all will be laughing y'all asses off.
It's gonna be funny as hell.
Y'all will be laughing y'all asses off. The type of garbage that we've been talking about while when we FaceTime, yo, too funny. Oh my God, really?
Yeah.
Yo, what's up with you? Yo, I ain't gonna lie, you look like a straight up Haitian in that picture.
Shut up.
You look like a straight Haitian. You know how you could only Haitians could look at a Haitian and say you look like a Haitian.
Is that a good thing or a bad thing? What are you saying? That's a dope thing.
Take it how you want it, girl. You take it how you want it. I'm proud to be Haitian. I ain't nothing wrong with that. There ain't nothing wrong with that. I ain't seeing. You don't want to give your IG. Probably buy me your photo.
Do the work.
Yes, your story is going up. Your story is going up. Lamed, your story is going up. I'm telling you, your story is faking people out over here, thinking it's gonna come sell off. All of this support down here, yeah, we going up. We break this high, it's a wrap. It's a wrap. It's a wrap. My own girl said I'm Haitian by penetration. She said I'm Haitian by penetration.
Charlie,
that's a bar right there.
You would know.
What happened?
If they get the likes up, you can share my picture for 5 seconds.
Nah, I can't because it's 640 people on and it's 680 likes, so I can't have. It won't be more.
Good job. Good job, you two.
Yeah. Yo, we hit 900 today. We almost hit 1,000. Damn.
Next week means it's money. It's go time next week.
Yes. Yes. I'm curious to what US30 is going to do here. I'm curious to what US30 is going to do. People are in buys. What? Savages. Y'all some cold traders.
Risque.
Yeah. I should do a live with her. Yeah. Holding. All right, y'all. That's it for me today. It is about to be 10:30. I feel like I want to wait to see if this is gonna fly. I just want to see if it does it. I just want to see. Should I wait and see?
Yeah, why not?
Ah.
Couple more minutes. What time is it? Oh shit.
It's almost 10:30. Oh. I really don't want to sit here anymore, though. I really want to get off my butt and go do something with myself.
You did say you were tired.
Yeah, my headache is gone, though. My headache is gone. That's a good thing. My headache is non-existent at the moment. So, I don't know.
You ain't have too many knuckleheads today, that's why.
Nah, the chat was on their best behavior today. I don't know what happened. I think the haters took a break.
Yeah.
I don't know.
They're like, damn, we can't break this girl. She's just gonna keep coming back every day.
Telling you. You going to the gym today?
Yes, I am.
What you doing?
I'm going to do the Stairmaster as well. But I'm gonna see if I can stay on for 45 minutes.
45 minutes?
45 minutes on probably level 3 or 4.
Well, you would have me beat because the longest I've ever done is 33 minutes.
33?
Yeah. For some
I'm
reason.
gonna start off slow though. I'm probably gonna start on 2 for about 15 minutes and then I gradually go up. But I'm gonna see if I can do 45 minutes today.
Oh, okay. That's what's up. I'm telling you, I'm gonna have buns of steel on that boat.
No comment.
I actually, honestly, if you guys go take a shower, I can use all like when I.
Is that Ari?
Yeah.
Ari, come here.
Say good morning.
Good morning, Mama. You just took a bath?
No. You didn't just shower?
I did, but I didn't wash my hair.
Why are you naked? Why she not at school?
What you packed? What? My public sweets that you packed up nicely.
Why she not at school?
She had no school today.
Why?
I don't know.
Yo, these schools, they just be looking for reasons for kids not to go to school these days. What the hell?
Yeah.
Wow. So she get to stay home and bother you all day.
Yeah, but she got a hair appointment today, so I'm about to drop her ass off right now.
Oh, to get her hair done?
I don't know, drop my hair.
Okay.
Yeah. Look what she packed up.
Oh, she did. Look at her packaging. Look at my little entrepreneur. Look at her.
Her thank you cards.
Yo, call her back. Call her back to the phone. Ari.
Yeah?
I am so proud of you. Look at your packaging. I love it.
Thank you.
I love your packaging. Look at that. You gotta get a sticker and everything. Look at you, 9-year-old little entrepreneur. Okay.
I'm 10.
You're 10. Oh, I'm sorry. My bad. Yes, you just turned 10. Yes, you just turned 10. I'm very proud of you.
When
Keep up.
should she expect her packaging?
Yes.
When should she expect it? Wait, she ain't submit payment yet.
How much? It was $5 each, right? Or $10?
It's $5. I think it's $5 each, and the one with the silver in it was 15.
15.
Mm-hmm.
So okay, so what you gotta do is you gotta send me an invoice, right? So I can process the payment, and then
we didn't get there yet.
And then
Stop.
yo.
She's making me.
Hold up. What you mean? Nah, she's ready for this. She's ready for it. Thank you. Let me talk to my girl. Thank you.
Okay.
I get it. Mommy's making your website. Yes. Okay, that's fine. But even if you can write it by hand, you can write an invoice. Mommy can show you how to do it. You write down each order. You write down the price. You write down the total. When I send you the money, you take my payment, and then you send me a receipt, and I'll wait for my tracking number when you ship it over to me. Yes?
It sounds good.
Sounds good.
All right. Thank you. Don't tell her she ain't ready for that. Yes, she is ready. She making money. She got a whole business. Don't tell her she ain't ready. She's ready.
You right.
She's ready.
Now we gotta make an invoice.
Yes. I love the packaging though. I don't know who came up with it. She came up with that, or you did?
She a friend of hers.
Oh, yeah. Love it. She got to come up with a business name too.
Yes.
Yes. Atta girl. Look at my girl. Look at her. We starting them young, baby.
That's
We
right.
start these little entrepreneurs young. Let's go.
Young.
10 years old, already got her own little business. What?
Period.
That's what I'm talking about. Yo, you send her to me for 1 week. She gonna come back a boss.
Listen.
Send her to Florida to me for 1 week. I'm gonna send her back to you as a boss. Watch.
She's gonna be like, Mom, I need to send your invoices for your bracelets.
Yes.
Oh, you heard her? She said, that's right.
That's right. Open up her own little bank account, put her own money in there. Yeah, she's gonna be good.
That's right.
All right, y'all, go take her to her hair appointment. Call me when you get back.
Later.
All right, boo.
Right.
All right, y'all. We're looking for US30 to fly here. Fly here. I don't know what she got going on, but it needs to fly. I think we're gonna go up here because we failed, like I said, to break these lows here from last night. Last night US30 came. It didn't even make it down, and that's why I didn't take these sells last night, because I didn't trust them. I wasn't sure if US30 was going to, continue doing that, and then come New York session, we would have been looking, for the buys to continue bullish. Didn't see that happening, so I think we're gonna push up here, especially with this big bullish engulfing here. There's 50% retracement, and we're already breaking these highs. So we still have to wait for a clean closure. We gotta wait for a clean closure and then a pullback. And it's 10:30. I think around 12 we might see something. So that's what we're looking for today. I am not taking any more trades. I'm just watching to learn, to see what's about to happen. Because remember, I think the start of this week or last week, was it? We were concerned about the buys because we don't have any data. We don't have anything up here that tells us where price could go. So it's hard to, it's hard to know where the market is going to top off at. That's why the sells were more attractive than the buys, because with sells we have a lot more data, but with the buys it's real iffy. So right now, based on what structure is doing, if this breaks up here and decides to take off, at what point do you take profit? It's hard to say. So, and who knows if it's even going to happen today. It could linger inside this box. It could play around here today. It could do a whole bunch of nothing today, and then come next week we see something. But with these rejections here, price breaking above, I would love to wait and see what she wants to do. And then we could even get a pullback back here, and then for price to push up, because we're just not breaking these highs here based off this newfound structure that's pumping up here. So it's a lot of waiting. It's a whole bunch of waiting around. It's Friday. What are you gonna do? So we're moving up here. We're moving up in the world. Love the American attitude. Yeah. How do we trade that? There's not resistance close by. Uncharted water. I think I just explained it. So we rewind it a little and you'll see. We are off. We're pushing here. We're trekking along here. Trekking along here on the buys. Let's go. Charlene, look at the 5 minute. What's on the 5 minute? Oh, 5 minute support. Yes. Something like this. I like this type of setup nicely. This is setting up real nice right here. Ooh. Very, very, very nice. Oh. Oh. Anybody in these US30 buys? Anybody? Yeah. No. Two forwards. One, 1, 2, 3. And okay. I'm about to sell US30. Okay. Cool. Yeah. Took one, got out at 380, expecting a dump. You guys are expecting a sell-off here? I don't know, guys. I mean, I don't know. I'm seeing different. I'm seeing different. All right, guys, it's 10:30. I'm gonna go take off. I have a manicure appointment. Are you in this trade? No. I will see you guys next week. We had a very, very good week. Nice, fun sessions we had this week. Couple good wins. And looking forward to having a better week next week. Y'all have a very, very, very good weekend. 3 spots left for my in-person class. If you're interested, see the link in the description box. Other than that, you guys be good. Have a great, great, great weekend. And I will see you guys next week. Same time, same place, bright-eyed and bushy-tailed, Monday morning, 7:30. As always, it's your favorite female trader, SIMPLEFX, and y'all be good. Ciao.